In this video, I will teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify website. I know after hearing that you are assuming it's time-consuming, frustrating process, but it's very simple and straightforward. Only three things required to do that. First is my YouTube channel subscription. So go to my YouTube channel and subscribe it. Other thing is your comment related to this video. Is this video helpful or not? And the third thing is your little bit attention. So be in this video from beginning to last. Now jump on to the next step to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify website. So first of all, you have to go to the godaddy.com and all product page of GoDaddy. As you can see on my screen, I was on the all product page of godaddy.com where you can see all the domains which you have purchased from the GoDaddy. Here I purchased the inchick.in for this tutorial. So here first step is you have to click on DNS. After clicking on DNS, you have redirected to DNS management page. In DNS management page, you are able to see these record NS, NS, CNAME, so on. So this is your DNS records. For connecting your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify website, you have to edit a type DNS record and CNAME type DNS record in your DNS record configurations. So for that, you will see option add new record. So click on that. After clicking on add new records, there is a new window expand, that is new record. In type configuration, just select the A type. After in name placed at the rate and in value, you have to place the Shopify IP address. Now the question is, what is Shopify IP address? So for that, you have to go to the Google search engine, and after opening the new tab, you just search here Shopify IP address. And here you will get the your Shopify IP address. You can see here 23.227.3865. So just copy that IP and paste it in the value column. And in TTL, just select the 1 hour and save it. After saving that DNS record, you are able to see that DNS record in your available DNS records. So it just take a 1 minute. So you can see here my A type DNS record is added here. Again, we have to repeat this process and add a CNAME type DNS record. So for that, we again click on add new record and select here CNAME. In name, we just write www, and in value, just add the shops.myshopify.com. And for TTL, just select 1 hour and again save this DNS record. As you can see, my A type and CNAME type record is added in your DNS record configurations. If you are confused here, I already posted a blog here, how to connect a domain to Shopify from GoDaddy Opti Expert. So check my blog post and you will get the step-by-step process how to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify website. And for your ease, I will paste the link of that post in description. You will get that link in the description. So we have completed all the DNS related configurations completed. Now we have to jump onto the Shopify, and the next step is related to your Shopify configurations. So now go to your Shopify dashboard. So I was on Shopify dashboard. Now click on settings, and after clicking on settings, you are getting an option here, domains. So just click on domains, and here you have to select a connect existing domain. If you want to buy a new domain, just click on buy new domains because Shopify provide hosting service as well. But I will suggest you go with the third party services provider like Hostinger, GoDaddy, etc. So just click on the connect existing domain, and here you have to enter the your domain which you have purchased from your GoDaddy service provider. So I will purchase inchick.in, and after entering the domain here, just go to the next. As you can see on my screen, inchick.in is connected with my Shopify website. So for checking that, you just open a new tab and here just click inchick.in. You can use the domain which you have connected with your Shopify website. So I use that domain. Once I click on inchick.in, my demo store is open. So using this step-by-step process, you are able to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify website. And before going to end this video, I will again request you just go to my YouTube channel and subscribe it. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification first. So now meet you again in the next video.